I'm well aware that a lot of you guys wanted to see this video, so I hope that this is everything you've been hoping for. This is gonna be our first official video together. Are you excited? Yeah, I'm pretty sure he wishes he was anywhere else but here right now. So, I love being a parent. Before I show you this situation and everything that is about to happen here, I don't think I've ever said these words before, but this video is sponsored. Truly unbelievable, but basically this video is sponsored by Audible. You guys know me, I never do brand deals, so this is something that I actually use, like pinky swear. But just in case if you don't know this, Audible offers you a great selection of audiobooks, original audio shows, news, comedy content. Let's say you're like cooking something, you're traveling, you're like going to the gym, you're working out, whatever it is that you're doing, this is honestly something that you can do on the go. You can listen on any device, you can listen on your phone, you can listen through Bluetooth, you can also do it with Alexa. Hey Alexa. Oh, I don't own an Alexa. Maybe after this brand deal. It's freaking spooky season in my house, so I've actually been listening to a lot of Stephen King and a lot of like scary audiobooks. I think you guys would like that. It's truly an experience, like it's unlike watching a movie, it's unlike anything else, so just listen to it. If you want to give this a try, you can go to www.audible.com/Raphael Gomes, or you can also text Raphael Gomes to 500 The best part is you can start a 30-day free trial, so you don't have to pay anything. You can also get one free audiobook, or you can select from 2 Audible originals. That's a lot of free stuff. I honestly think you guys are gonna like it. I mean, live your best spooky audiobook life. I think you guys will like it. So, like I always say, it's never enough of spooky vibes. So I just wanted to show you what we're going to be working with for this video. I mean, very professional. Most of you guys probably guessed by the title of this video. What we're going to be doing in this video is making food for my puppy, making a 5-star meal. So basically, I got these fancy looking dishes and my puppy is literally gonna eat out of this bougie looking plate. Before I show you what kind of like food items I got for this, I just want to say something very quickly, which is my puppy Salem, he's never eaten anything else other than his dry food. You know, the food that you feed dogs when they're very little? His personal favorite is literally this one. I don't know what this is. This is chicken. I'm a little bit nervous for this because he's actually never eaten any other food other than puppy food, you know, the dry, like boring puppy food, which sometimes makes me feel a little bit bad. I feel a little bit guilty because imagine if I had to eat the same food every day for the rest of my life. Unless it's chicken nuggets. I'm being very responsible about this. I called the vet, I did a lot of research, and basically these foods are definitely safe for puppies, but you can only give them, this can only be like 10% of what they eat every day. So I'm playing very safe. So that's another reason why I wanted to do a 5-star gourmet meal, because he can only eat literally the tiniest amount of food. So I'm excited that I've got this on camera because this is gonna be my first time like giving my puppy, like spoiling him, giving him a treat, because it's still very young, so I haven't really had the chance to do that yet, but I think he's ready. He can finally chew on foods, like he's got like teeth. We're still gonna be very careful. I'm gonna blend most of this stuff, but we're gonna make this look like the best meal, like a meal that looks so good that I would eat it. So this meal basically consists of 3 different ingredients mainly. So one of them is cooked rice. So it's very important that rice is cooked for puppies, if any of you guys is interested. So it's just like white rice, no seasoning, no salt, nothing. And you can only give them the tiniest little amount of this because apparently it's not great because it makes puppies look really chubby because it's like a starch. I don't know, I've done a lot of research. I'm a good parent, I swear. The other thing I'm gonna cook is asparagus, and apparently this is very, very good for puppies as well, because if you Google it, you'll see, wow, I am the best at explaining things. I love how I'm gonna be more careful preparing food for my puppy than I would for myself. I've been seeing photos of dishes made by Gordon Ramsay, and that's kind of where I got the inspiration for this. So what I wanna do is I wanna turn the carrot into like a puree, so that would be like the presentation in the bottom of the plate. So, obviously we're not gonna use all of this. I don't really know how this works, but I was thinking we could make maybe like a puree out of this. I wonder if this is gonna turn into like a smooth, like oh my god. Wow, that's a great start. It's looking dry. If this is too liquidy, maybe we can always add more carrot. Why is this not? I'm not gonna lie, guys, this is not the smoothest consistency that I've ever seen. Like, not even close. Maybe needs more water or something. I don't know, this is not working. I mean, is this the smoothest carrot sauce that I've ever seen? No, but also we're making food for my dog. The weirdest thing would be if the dog comes and hates all of it. So basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer it into like a piping bag. I saw this image of this like beautiful effect on a plate made with like a sauce, but obviously dogs can't eat sauce. How do we even do this? How are we even gonna do this? We don't even have that much sauce. Oh my god, it's... Oh shit. I mean, it kind of does look like a 5-star meal, I'm not gonna lie. I wish that would have gone into the plate. Alright. Oh my god. Oh no. Should we attempt to do like a design? Why is there so much water? No! Oh my god. Do you know what? I mean, Gordon Ramsay could. Slight change of plans. We need to do this presentation differently because clearly that wasn't working. Right, wait. We need like a spatula or something. Oh shoot. Honestly though, it looks a lot worse on camera than it does in real life. Like, in real life, it's truly not that bad. Maybe it's the light or something. Okay, that looks a little bit better, right? Salem, I hope you're hungry. So honestly, I feel like everything is going wrong. I'm not gonna lie. I am disappointed, but we're still gonna push through. So what I'm thinking is of putting the asparagus like that. I'm not allowed to use much more than like 3. Honestly though, I don't hate that. I'm so scared of showing this to you because first of all, it sucks. Second of all, if it moves, it's going to look even worse. And honestly, that sounds impossible at the moment. I got one of these like porcelain things where you put like an egg, but I'm gonna use it to shape some rice because obviously I can't use a lot of it. So I'm just gonna grab the rice with my hands. We're gonna put it in here and then hopefully we can shape it. This will be a very small amount of rice. So if this works, oh my god, it doesn't come out. Oh my god, that is so cute. That's like, it's like a miniature like rice thing. Alright guys, honestly I feel like this could be worse. Like, it's bad, but like, oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, this is gonna look great. So we're gonna put that right on top of the asparagus. Is this the bougiest food that I've ever made? Weirdly, yes. I feel like we should sprinkle something on top of the rice, maybe. I'm not even gonna pretend that this next step is normal at all, but basically I'm getting kind of nervous that he's gonna hate it because it should taste so different from everything else he's ever eaten. So I want to try to incorporate his puppy food into the dish, like in some way, just so that it tastes like we've got some puppy food here, and I'm gonna try to blend it and then use it as like seasoning almost on top of the rice. I think that would look good, right? Just normal puppy owner stuff. So here goes nothing. Oh my god, this is gonna be so weird. Wait. That is science. I'm one step ahead than the scientific community, clearly. So we just made puppy seasoning. Oh my god, I love that. That's basically garlic salt for dogs. Imagine being that genius. Honestly, can relate. Okay, so we're gonna sprinkle this on top of the dish. Should we just sprinkle over the whole thing? Oh my god, that actually is improving the whole look. Honestly though, I feel like we started with a lot of failure, but I'm actually very proud of the final result. I actually think this kind of looks like a 5-star meal. Maybe I haven't been to a lot of 5-star restaurants, but this is good enough for me. I think it will be good enough for Salem, but I think we're about to do the test. This is the most terrifying part of this video. We're gonna give it to him and see what he thinks of it. Oh my god. So before we go and get Salem, I think it's really important for us, you know, to set the mood for him. He deserves the best only, so honestly. Okay, buddy, what do you think of your 5-star restaurant? Oh. No, Salem, look what I've made for you. Yeah, look. Do you like that? Those are fake actually. We are kind of on a budget. Do you like the look of it? No? What do you think? 3 hours making this. Salem, please. Will you please try my food? Please, please, please. Please give it a try. Oh my god. Please eat it. Please eat it. Yes, it's good. Salem. Salem, please. Try it. Why is he only interested in the crumbs of like dog food, the only part of the dish that I didn't prepare? Salem, all you did was literal... Oh my god, did he actually improve the presentation of my dish? Maybe the problem is not the food, it's that it looks too fancy for him, the whole setup. Please eat it. Oh, let's try some asparagus together, yeah? Oh my god, me! He's like afraid of vegetables. Maybe he's just not hungry. If I give him some of his food and he's actually gonna eat this. Do you want that? Salem, buddy! You're hurting my feelings. Please have some of the rice. He's physically pushing me away from him. Maybe he's just not hungry anymore. This is honestly the saddest day of my life. Like, just watching him eat the treats and my food is just sitting there like... I do love what you've done with the presentation, Salem. Do not listen to these healthy, like, puppy blogs who are, like, trying to... convincing you to give your dog, like, healthy, fresh vegetables and treats, because thank you so much for eating my food. That was great. I honestly felt like the 3 hours I spent preparing that 5-star dish, I hope it was as good for you as it was for me. As you can see, he's eaten his treat. Now he wants a nap, which is great. Love that for me. I'm gonna spend the next 2 hours cleaning up the food that he never ate, and I am truly sorry. Like, honestly, I'm not gonna force the puppy, obviously, to eat something that he doesn't want to. Obviously, like, I was joking, trying to get him to eat it, but I am disappointed. I kind of expected, I thought the presentation was great. I tried to keep it very simple, like nothing added to it, and I guess he just, you know, he's just like me. He loves his processed, sweet, salty treats better than fresh vegetables, and can I blame him? No, because honestly, that's a mood. If you guys enjoy this video and you'd want me to maybe make something that is a little bit more like unhealthy, maybe something, I don't know, with not fresh vegetables, maybe like something else, let me know in the comment section down below. Keep in mind that he is a puppy, so there's a lot of foods that I'm not allowed to feed him yet, and anything that is like too solid, he just can't eat it. But I would love to hear from you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. I mean, I'm sorry, I really wanted him to have enjoyed it, but there's nothing I can do. Don't forget to subscribe and switch my notifications on. Salem, do you want to remind them why we switched the notifications on? No, because honestly, no one cares. That's about it for this video, guys. I hope you guys had a good time, and I will see you guys on my next video. Keep in mind that things are very much like I'm still figuring out my filming areas and schedules at the moment, so it's a process. But I love you, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye bye. Do you want to say goodbye? Yeah, I thought so.